second episode for
Yeah.
Offbeat Culture Shock, and I'm Fizra.
एंड आई एम ईशा. फिजरा, आपको कभी लगा होगा कि हम सेकंड एपिसोड तक पहुंच गए हैं?
आसार तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहे थे, considering all
Technical-
sort technical and literally
logistics issues.
technical issues and literally every kind of issue that you can imagine.
Yay! But you know, we persevered. Here we are.
Thanks to us
Thanks to
and our team.
Yeah, I would like to thank my mom. No, but we're really happy on the reception because I was expecting like 2 viewers though. I'm glad people
guys,
actually
thank you
watched.
so much. It made me feel like, you know, it brought
Yeah.
tears to my eyes that we had like 100
अच्छा
views.
भाई,
It
इतना
felt
but देखें, हमें अच्छा लगा, ठीक है, मुझे अच्छा लगा. Plus एक what I would like to address is पिछले episode I was sitting on this sofa, right? And I was
Yeah.
sitting बिल्कुल इस तरह करके.
yeah.
ठीक है, and someone actually told me कि the way you were sitting, it was making me very uncomfortable. So you know, we switched it up and हम
Yeah, and to
hopefully-
add on that, when I was sitting there, I was looking like a bent banana. So that was making me uncomfortable. Like I was scared looking at myself.
Yeah.
So we changed things.
Yeah,
up.
तो hopefully आपको अब like लग रहा होगा कि we're not exactly, you know, 2 square centimeter की space है. We're like still, it's, you know, still a cozy space, but you know, we have Offbeat Culture Shock. Sparkle. And yeah, we are your co-host. We are not your co-host, we are each other's co-host.
We are the co-hosts of the show.
The show. Offbeat Culture Shock. Okay, so enough yapping. So in the second episode, we are going to discuss what?
We are going to discuss some very interesting, you know, baffling, spicy
Mirchi.
We are going to talk about how unhinged of a decade 2020s was.
And how unhinged that made us actually.
Yeah, that made us,
You know, outcome of that
completely-
drama.
Yeah. And then we are also going to talk about some historical phenomena, like बहुत nonsense चीजों के ऊपर.
yeah. Also how इंसान, we are so dramatic, over dramatic हर
Yeah.
बात पे. You know, it's very funny.
Like you'll see that
You'll-
when you hear
yeah,
us
when
talking.
you just tune in. And also, so this is a very, you know, out there idea, but we're going to connect the
Yeah.
movie Interstellar with the very popular poem
हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं. Yeah.
हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं.
And
Or like we can play the, you know, whole recording. But yeah, so you guys might be thinking कि भाई is she screw loose या क्या? Like how do you connect
Yeah.
these two? But
We'll make the connections and you'll see it.
yeah,
And it's
so-
worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. Hopefully it's worth it. We hope
I mean,
that
for
it's
us, it's worth it because
Yeah.
we'd be like, you know, bonding over यार कितनी kidney
Yeah.
touching.
Yeah,
बात
heart
कर रहे हैं,
touching, kidney
yeah.
touching, liver touching चीजें. And also like थोड़ा सा on a side tangent, we are doing this because like this is like our passion basically. You know, it's
Yeah,
just
because we need an outlet to, you know, yeah.
yeah.
I mean,
plus
and talk and, you know, commentary करें हम भी तो
commentary
करें.
करें, and it's like, you know, a very fun thing to do. Like, you know, every 2 weeks we just, you know, sit
Yeah.
down and hopefully inshallah आइंदा भी करते
Yeah,
रहेंगे.
it's like our own personal leisure that we bond over.
Yeah, and it's like, you know, a way to connect with you all as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so like our first topic is, ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे अमीन हो रही है. First topic is moderated cooking. Yeah,
2020s.
2020.
Like imagine कि आप 2015 से किसी बंदे को, like even me, if I don't believe that if I tell myself.
एक second,
from
how
2015
old will you be in 2015? How old were you? Let's like visualize this.
Probably like 8 or 9.
8 साल की फिजरा नयाब, ठीक है. Let's go ahead and tell that little girl that
in 2020s you're going to have a global pandemic. People will be hoarding toilet paper, and billionaires will be going to space while the world will be burning. There will be crypto and AI and
NFTs.
yeah.
Donald Trump
And I'd be
का-
asking कि ये सब क्या है? There would be election circus.
और वो like I feel like वो 8 साल की बच्ची कहेगी कि Mama pick me up, I'm scared. What is this stranger talking about?
Yeah.
Like she'll think that it's insane because it is insane. So you know, recap back to 2020. शुरू में हम लोगों को सबको याद है जब मार्च में लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था.
Yeah.
तो what were you doing? क्या चल रहा था जिंदगी में?
I was in 8th grade and obviously schooling and exams and you know, because
Yeah.
अब high school में transition कर रहे हैं, so there was, you know, these rigorous administrative measures and examinations that you had to pass. और बीच में आ जाते हैं 2 हफ्ते की छुट्टियाँ, and they elongate and prolong to, you know, how many like
Yes,
महीनों की छुट्टियाँ, 1 साल,
same.
2 साल, like बहुत लंबा effect हो
Okay,
जाता
yeah,
है।
same. क्योंकि like for me ना, I was like you know low key like goofy like 8th grader. ठीक है, I was living my life. उर्दू का पेपर था next day and I was like, you know, I haven't really studied for it, and you know दुआएं काम आ गई because छुट्टियाँ announce हो गई
I
2 weeks
remember I
के
was
लिए.
so
I was
excited.
so happy.
कि यार छुट्टियाँ, oh my god, hell yeah, let's
Hell
go.
yeah! लेकिन खैर you know it's like so they
Yeah.
don't know what's coming.
Yeah,
They don't know
I
what's
had
coming.
no idea.
No idea. Like तो 2020s में क्या किया आपने?
Probably शुरू में तो बहुत excitement थी कि you know that oh my god, finally time away from school.
Like did you try any new hobbies वगैरह?
कोई नहीं यार, I was like not really like you
We
know,
were like
we were
sitting at home.
Yeah, we were like I was like sitting at home binge watching from time to time.
Yay.
Yeah, sleeping all the time, reading books, like not actual. I read novels a lot those days, but now I don't read fiction a lot anymore.
सही.
But like those days I was like very into it. Percy Jackson में फिर
Percy
घुस गई मैं.
Jackson,
So I was like
good
oh my
day.
god, let's go. Time ही time है मेरे
तो
पास.
yeah, but like basically जो इसका मकसद ये है कि you know COVID-19 जब लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था तो a lot of हमारे लिए शुक्र I think it was sort of pleasant. ठीक है, I remember you know I like was enjoying क्योंकि I'm not exactly you know I can live without going out way too much. ठीक है, I like staying in my room and you know doing stuff. लेकिन a lot of people actually like you know they got laid off. उनके livelihoods
Yeah.
खत्म हो गए. People died. 75 million people died from COVID. Like that's काफी ज़्यादा बड़ा number.
That's a lot of
That's
the
a lot.
population, and even if you think about कि अगर पाकिस्तान में,
Yeah.
which most of the world considers a third world country, even though we are questioning the idea these days, but still Pakistan में we have a lot of you know hawkers and vendors
Yeah.
जो अपने carts और ठेले लगा के खड़े होते हैं.
और
And just
इंतजार
imagine
करना.
कि social distancing and like you are not allowed
They
to be
like
outside.
ruined their livelihoods.
Yeah,
right?
it was like a done deal for them.
Yeah, it was like also I feel like you know क्योंकि lockdown था there was this general fear कि you know मतलब क्या होगा you can't go out and with your friends to a
Like,
park or a
yeah,
restaurant.
like,
You can't
because
hug
you were
anyone.
scared
You
कि
can't
what
shake
if I die?
hands. You can't hug. And हम लोग के I remember कि you know हम सबकी classes online हो गई थी, Zoom meetings, that became the norm. And you know obviously you know that looking back there's an aspect of nostalgia कि हाँ मजा था, लेकिन there's also you know ये साल थे यार, साल काफी लंबा अरसा होता है. And
Yeah,
you know
like, now
वो
you're
gap आ गया आपके
Yeah,
दिमाग में.
started के oh my god, like
You don't
I
remember
don't even
anything.
remember. Like मेरी memory में एक glitch आ गया है that I cannot
Yeah.
even take a
So
grasp
it's
on
a-
it.
Yeah, so it's like literally a collective trauma जो हमारा दिमाग
Yeah.
में, so it's sort of a reach. लेकिन I read somewhere कि how you know when the brain tries to cope with PTSD it forgets. You know you suppress
Yeah.
trauma, and it's very interesting that there's collective loss of memory from that era. जिससे पूछोगे ये हाँ मुझे
Because
याद नहीं है.
everyone was affected.
Everyone
maybe
was
in
affected.
negative ways, या positive ways, या जो whatever you term it, maybe
People
in less
greatly
extreme
affected.
ways.
Yeah.
But everyone was affected. Like we are talking about ourselves, but we can say कि हमारे parents को भी
Yeah,
affected.
it's changed
Yeah,
society.
maybe
It
the people who
affected,
work in
yeah.
our house.
It transformed
Yeah.
society forever. और also मसला ये है कि जैसे हम लोग we were relatively you know lucky क्योंकि you know we got to experience life before COVID.
Yeah.
लेकिन think of like you know the elementary school kids जो मतलब उस जमाने में like you know पैदा हुए होंगे.
Toddlers, yeah.
And it's so sad to you know realize कि even they did not have a chance to you know मतलब go to kindergarten and do all that normal
उनकी
stuff.
development बिल्कुल हमसे
Start
बिल्कुल अलग हो गई.
Start
Exactly.
हो गई, exactly. And like the only friends that you know normally हम लोग जब छोटे थे we made friends like through schools or stuff.
Yeah.
And the friends that they made हमारी Gen Alpha, iPad kids,
Yeah,
iPad kids,
Cocomelon.
Cocomelon.
Yeah.
So like
And they became like phone addicts because now अब हम देखते हैं कि हम तो हैं लेकिन हमसे ज़्यादा I see that
And
there are
it's-
kids
yeah.
that were like more addicted
and
to the
it's-
technology
yeah,
than
it's
you.
so insane guys क्योंकि हम I feel like कि I was an 8th grader back then and now I'm in university like hello
Yeah.
कैसे गुजरे?
It's baffling.
It's baffling indeed. And Also, हम obviously COVID-19 के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ हुआ था. January 6th, 2020.
Yeah, let's start with the actual events.
Actual
that happened.
event,
Like
like
2020 start होते ही January में you had the Capitol riots.
Exactly.
Where Trump went basically nuts and
yeah, उसके supporters they invade, like, you know, attacked the White House. Like it was a fair.
And they look like Vikings wearing helmets. So it's like a
Vikings keep please, but
yeah. I mean.
Vikings are way too cool, ठीक है. लेकिन उस जमाने में, you know, we all remember. Do we all remember George Floyd का बहुत हुआ था? Black Lives Matter.
A cop killed George Floyd unjustly, and then you had this whole revolution. Thankfully, it happened. Like that's one of the positive things.
लेकिन riots were, you know, very
riots and civil disobedience in a good way. That you are going against up the establishment to change the world in a positive way, and obviously wokeism बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया. You have मतलब 2020s में you name it, you have everything. You have gender problems.
You have हर तरह.
You have racism problems. You have climate problems. You have
Andrew Tate.
You have Andrew Tate. Exactly. Oh my god.
And Andrew Tate के clones. और क्या हुआ 2020s में? So 2020 में there was this Beirut explosion as well. You remember the videos?
Oh my God, yeah.
So I like saw a video where a bride was getting married.
Yeah, same, I saw that. Yeah, and I
Yeah.
was like, oh man, their days like now.
Yeah.
बस उनकी memory पे भी marked हो चुका है, and then like
Yeah.
how
It-
will they?
It was, you know, sort of a trailer for like the horrific genocide in
Yeah.
Palestine, sort of. Like,
Yeah.
हम लोगों ने, this is also very interesting in the way that this was sort of, you know, 2020s were the first time that we got to see very live action war. Like हम screenों पे देख रहे थे. Ukraine war
we
भी
are
हम
seeing
screenों पे देख रहे
people
थे.
bombing each other, like
Yeah, we were
countries bombing each
seeing
other. We are seeing
refugees,
Russia,
we were
Ukraine.
seeing- yeah.
You were seeing Israel, Palestine. You were seeing riots in Nigeria,
yeah, on
in
your
Libya.
phones.
Yeah.
We were seeing people in war zones. We were seeing actual war being played out in front of our eyes. So it's, I think, very interesting.
And let's not forget the assassination of the Iranian general.
Yeah, ये
And
शुरू
how-
में हुआ था.
Yeah, बिल्कुल शुरू में, like 2020s के होते ही, and that when 2020 started, we had on Twitter the World War 3 memes. कि अब तो World War done है. The Russia-Ukraine thing.
If only what they knew. क्या आगे
And then the assassination of the Iranian general. And
क्या नाम था उनका? I think Qasim Soleimani.
Yeah,
right?
Qasem Soleimani. So.
So,
yeah,
but the
that-
tensions were there. So it's, you know, like a setup for
So the whole trajectory
thing
of
to
the
come.
societal development and the world how we view it today changed. Like
Yeah.
the events that happened, insane man.
और फिर I think 2020 में ही फिर Pfizer आ गई थी, वैक्सीन आ गई थी.
Yeah.
Or, you know, they were
शुरू में they
basically
were
forced
yeah.
to take the vaccine. क्योंकि like if you
Really?
did not take the vaccine,
Then you're basically spreading the virus to others.
spreading
and,
the
like,
virus, and you can't
apparently-
go anywhere.
Yeah.
You know, हर जगह restaurants भी कहते
You
हैं.
cannot give your exams. You
You
cannot
cannot get-
graduate high school. Ban if you're like you're not vaccinated. आप
Yeah.
आप जिंदगी में कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते.
हाँ,
We're going to
basically.
make your existence useless because you're not vaccinated.
Also, क्या हुआ था? Joe Biden came into power.
Yeah.
Elections हुए थे November. I remember watching the presidential debate.
Yeah,
It was
same, I
really-
watched
It
it.
was such a, you know, shit show.
Yeah, it was like one clown debating the other.
Yeah, it
But
was-
still, Joe Biden at that time still seemed थोड़ा ज़्यादा sane
Coherent.
as yeah exactly
Also,
as compared to now.
Both of these men seem more sane. अब ये पता नहीं, honestly, like cartoonish है कि how, you know, insane the political
Yeah.
climate is. It's actually insane. Like, you know, बंदा Black Mirror episode देखता है,
Yeah.
and then you don't expect it to play out in real life, but it is playing out in real life, right? So like in 2021 we had vaccines, we had, you know, Taliban आ गए थे
अफगानिस्तान में and oh man अब उसके effects अभी भी हैं
अभी
वो.
भी है.
So you're
More
like
than 80 क्या उसे बोलते हैं, you know, like rules against women cannot even speak publicly. ये मतलब
Like,
yeah,
मतलब first of all not to get too political yeah.
but we will.
Yeah, we will. But like you are claiming that Islam states that this is how it should be for women, and then matlab you are kind of cutting ties या फिर responding explosively to the countries that actually are against that.
Yeah.
You are so insecure. You have एक narcissistic masculinity वाली
सही
चीज आ
बात।
जाती है जो हमने
सही
पढ़ी
बात,
है.
सही
They're
बात।
like you are so insecure कि आपका ज्यादातर laws are against women man. भाई मतलब
Yeah.
if you're into power, even
It's all
some
about control.
dictators. Exactly.
It's all about control.
Yes.
I was reading, sorry to cut you off
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा, लेकिन I was reading अभी this book called Women in Pakistan. It was written by अपना Khabar Mumtaz and Farida Shahid, two amazing women, and it talked about how in during Ziaul Haq's regime there was these ordinances, zina ordinance, hudud and आपको for to the unsuspecting naive eye इंसान को लगे कि oh yeah is Islam that sexist, लेकिन नहीं, it's all about control.
It's all about control, and
it's about using religion as a tool, na?
Yeah, you are weaponizing religion to and you are using your interpretation.
Yeah.
Like who has given you the right to impose these things? And if it's like truly Islamic, if it's like meant for peace and everything, but weaponizing religion for any way, whether it's like any religion in the world, not just Islam, to further your political vendetta, या आप अब ए society को एक तरह से देखना चाहते हो तो आप करो, but first of all this is not your country alone. You may be leading the country, but if you are truly a leader, if you're truly a leader, you have to keep the public opinion in mind. I don't care if you're a dictator or something.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, great rant by the way, love that. और क्या हुआ था? Also we all remember कि Roe v. Wade got overturned.
Yeah.
That's a thing. फिर हुई थी Ukraine Russia war.
Yeah.
Very interesting
you
how
have
this is.
cryptocurrency and NFTs coming in.
NFTs. Donald Trump actually released NFTs. Ape Monkey.
Yeah.
Ape Monkey की इतनी hype थी, बकवास तरीन चीजें थी. I'm not sorry to say, NFTs will always remain bakwas. I hate anyone who ever supported them. They are not cool, they are not fun, they are just lame because you can't even own them.
Yes, exactly.
Metaverse जब एक ज़माने में आ रहा था,
हाँ.
वो कह रहे थे everything will be metaverse, और फिर metaverse पे like
Yeah, it turned out
it will be like two people on VR headsets. And फिर ChatGPT आए और फिर
you have the billionaire space race like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk.
That is so
They want to go to
dystopian.
space. They want to colonize Mars, while the people here cannot.
हाँ, जैसे
breathe.
दुनिया को पहले colonize कर लिया ना, वो था उनका जी नहीं भरा. They were like, yeah, let's colonize another freaking planet.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. और फिर क्वीन एलिजाबेथ की मौत हो गई भाई, RIP. फिर किंग चार्ल्स आ गए जी, वो भी याद करें.
Yeah. I can't remember कि उस पे ट्विटर पे जो full entertainment मिल गई थी.
मुझे याद है कि क्वीन मरी थी क्योंकि उस दिन ना like I was crying for some reason. I think कोई और इवेंट चल रहा था.
Okay, that's it. I was like, oh my god, girl, you were just not crying.
गुलामी का mindset.
Colonize Mars.
Yeah. लेकिन I think it happened on May 6th of like 2023. 2 साल हो गए.
It's baffling.
Baffling.
मतलब I remember कि I remember मैंने Twitter memes देखी थी, but like I was very active on Twitter those days. Unfortunately, you can't be anymore because
X
you
हो
are in
गया.
a very X हो गया and you're in a special country where they just ban things. So
How ironic, क्योंकि Elon Musk कहता he's all for free speech and like,
Yeah.
there's no free speech.
Exactly. तो उस time पे when the Queen died, I guess there was an account parodying like the country of America, like America as a country. And they were like, oh, Britain, your queen died, and then Britain responded, at least we don't have 9/11. So it was like, oh my god, it was like a full roast sesh.
Love that. और फिर 2023 में obviously सबसे ज़्यादा I guess prominent event was October 7th where
Yeah.
Hamas attacked like the music festival in Israel, and Israel retaliated by launching a 17-month genocide.
Yeah, and
Recently
it was an
ceasefire.
ongoing genocide, by the way. Like according to my political opinions, which I'll view quite confidently, कि Hamas is like a resistance group. So it is an ongoing genocide that has been, been going on since like more than 50-70 years. And Hamas is a resistance group formed to resist that. You are actually, oppressing them and doing all sorts of tyrannical acts to them, and Hamas is. और actually जो October 7 का अटैक हुआ था उसकी पूरी basis पे आज तक इसराइल ने हर एक्शन को justify
everything क्योंकि like it's all उस जमाने में I remember I used to watch क्या था अपना Piers Morgan, और उस पे I used to watch like these debates. सबसे बेहतरीन जो I remember it was like Bassem Youssef. If anyone who hasn't watched that, I know it's like काफी late, लेकिन we'll link that actually.
बहुत outspoken and like he handled
Excellent points. लेकिन you know, अब in 2025 हम सबको like you know we all know what happened.
And now whatever happens, we're just not shocked anymore.
Yeah.
Like अब हम
Unfortunately हम
इतना
desensitized
exposure and we're like so desensitized. Like
और
not desensitized, we do feel, but now we're like so.
लेकिन यार हर
everything's
चीज normal
happening.
हो गई है
We're
ना.
like,
It's
oh my god, someone
every
like,
day on your
yeah.
Instagram feed you see kids dying.
There's a new war and you won't even be surprised
हाँ.
anymore.
And also ceasefire हुआ था recently. लेकिन फिर भी people are getting
That
killed.
doesn't mean anything.
That
Literally
it's like
doesn't mean
a
anything.
pseudo like
Because Israel has a
psyop
history
है.
of you know
lying,
their word. Yeah,
manipulating,
lying exactly.
doing every kind imaginable and not getting punished. अच्छा और क्या
Trails
हुआ?
of the
2024 में यार Trump वापस आ गया power
Oh my!
में.
And I think first day of
Trauma.
office में उसने, you know, he just did everything.
Everything, you know, Elon Musk did the Sieg Heil.
Yeah.
Yeah, this, you know, that actually ties very well into what we're going to discuss later.
You
How
remember?
dictators.
Yeah. You remember कि President Zelensky of Ukraine visited
Yeah, अभी
The-
वो आए हैं. ठीक है.
Donald Trump and how they made a mockery of him. Like JD Vance and
हाँ,
Donald
they
Trump.
were
ने
like
मिलके उसका
कि
जो-
JD Vance अपने he says to Zelensky कि you haven't even thanked us once.
Yeah, like how many thanks for it?
So actually,
You talk too much. Oh my god, reminds me of Shabana and the woman.
Yeah, Onaija.
Onaija. Yeah.
You talk too much.
You talk too much. Stop talking.
Stop talking. I'm not talking unless y'all giving me land and $2,000 every
Oh my
week.
god, she sounds like Trump, you know. If you kind of like, do you see the vision? Thoda bahut.
China.
Yeah, the way she, you know, emphasizes.
I think we're getting off topic.
Yeah,
low-key.
yeah. Acha, khair, so I was saying ke they said ke why JD Vance, I think he said, you were meeting with the president of America, like you were in the Oval Office. Why are you not
Man-child
wearing-
behavior.
Yeah, why are you not wearing a suit?
Like shut
And I
up.
just find
that man was in a ये behavior अगर रखना है ना, ये behavior Israel के साथ रखें. ठीक है ना, आपको
सही
इतना
है.
हो रहा है ना, like disgusting.
And how about it's so contradictory, it's so ironic कि Elon Musk Oval Office में अपने बच्चे के साथ
बच्चों को-
playground
बच्चे को as a
why is he
kid.
not wearing a suit, by the
Yeah.
way, if he's in the Oval?
Okay, about Elon Musk, since he's been losing a lot of money recently, so I actually saw a headline just now, yeah, like he's asking for empathy, and it's so funny because last week he said empathy is like the greatest weakness of society. So make up your mind, man. Like make up your
Yeah,
mind.
exactly. And like I don't think okay, we have talked about Elon Musk in the last episode and I
Way
think
too
we
much,
can-
but I hate
Yeah.
him. I'm like Naman Naqvi's last.
Oh my god.
I'm not comparing myself to Naman Naqvi, lekin I think his hatred of Elon Musk is justified.
I think everyone hates Elon Musk.
Yeah.
So yeah, everyone I know
Yeah.
hates Elon Musk.
Which is like the
So it's
valid
not
opinion
just
to
one
have.
person that we're naming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
And let's move on to the privacy concerns.
Privacy, यार privacy होती है क्या?
यार प्राइवेसी तो है ही नहीं अब नॉर्म मतलब how
लेकिन
can
वो
you
like
say-
नहीं
चाहिए होती है ना लोगों को प्राइवेसी
नहीं वो कहते हैं ना प्राइवेट मैटर है हम प्राइवेटली करेंगे ये करेंगे वो करेंगे
I
प्राइवेट
mean nice joke yeah is it
क्योंकि देखें ये फोन है ना मेरा मैं इस पे जो सर्च करती हूँ जो मैसेज किया मैंने भी फिजरा को मैसेज किया होगा कितनी दफा वेयर आर यू ठीक है एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड ठीक है इवन लाइक यू नो when we think it's not being recorded it's being
अच्छा
recorded
WhatsApp का claim
And-
encrypted messages
Yeah.
but it's being recorded yeah go on.
So like you're not really safe online, and that is why this video is sponsored by NordVPN. Okay, it's not. It's like it's not a sponsor, guys. It's nothing. You know, it's funny and also really scary क्योंकि you know Facebook को कितनी दफा you know they sell our data to third party.
you know even
third party advertising.
exactly like third party like name those third parties
Names, huh?
I think the problem
They sell them to the dark web. Like not even kidding. I'm
yeah
sorry.
dark web and all these intelligence agencies or
agencies.
all the agencies that actually want your data for their own vendettas और इसके अलावा भी you see if someone like Mark Zuckerberg who is you know like a terrible person हम उसे कहते हैं but obviously we know that he's a pro in the field if someone like Mark Zuckerberg is hiding and taping his you know like laptop camera
Yeah.
while being in a
He's-
meeting
yeah, in
what
that
does
time.
this tell you about privacy and your
Because
own
there is no
safety?
privacy. Okay, personal anecdote. लेकिन you know how कहते हैं कि your phone is always listening and it's not even a joke. So I have like Gemini downloaded on my phone for whatever reason I never use it. मैं
It
जब भी
actually-
बोलती हूँ मैं
Yeah.
इसको एड्रेस भी नहीं कभी करती and it's always मेरी बात like it like listens and like response आगे I'm like bro shut up like I don't want you to listen.
And we didn't even install it, by the way. It was just in pre.
Oh,
like,
अच्छा, I'm
Android
not
phone में
crazy.
अगर ये हुआ है मेरे ख्याल से, but yeah, the Google ने खुद ही उसको install कर दिया on your phone. Like, what? Why?
TikTok बैन भी इस वजह से हुआ था कि Chinese government is stealing your data. तो आपको
And the
लगता है
CEO
American
is Singaporean, by the way.
Yes.
Let's not forget that. Let's not forget that
Allah.
hell of a shit show. But
Senator, I'm Singaporean.
Senator of Singapore.
Do you have any association with the CCP, like Chinese Communist
Senator, I'm
Party?
Singaporean.
Okay, so like it's so funny the people who were questioning him, पता नहीं क्या peak American public education system, they were like they did not believe that Singapore was a country or something.
I think they were being racist in a way कि
Racist,
एक जैसे
हाँ.
दिखते हैं तो.
हाँ, that's
You know?
like dumbass.
Yeah.
हाँ, लेकिन basically कोई ना कोई आपका डेटा स्टील कर रहा है and at times like these you like realize कि maybe it's better to stay offline क्योंकि like online like it's like a rabbit hole.
Yeah, and by the way, even अगर आपका you think कि आपका phone off है and everything, but your phone can easily be accessed even if your LED light is off. Like आपकी screen
Oh.
की light भी फिर it's not turned on, if your screen is not active, तब भी आपका phone की tracking हो सकती है. Your conversations can be heard into your
Also,
data can
यार,
be accessed.
It's so scary क्योंकि आजकल deepfakes और AI का बहुत era है तो
Yeah.
you could literally like बहुत ज्यादा इस तरह की videos बनती हैं where you are like portrayed as something that you're not. It's so scary.
Yeah.
Like it's so terrifying. Guys, like I've heard of like girls or like
They
Taylor
are-
Swift का मैंने case सुना था where like these public female personalities have like very inappropriate videos of them like using AI and it's so like it's scary world out there.
And
That's all
like,
I
I
can
think
say.
there are also some cases emerging where people are getting, scammed or robbed because the actual scammers and the robbers who are actually in this field, what technologically advanced है वो. तो उसमें
Cybercrime.
they actually so they actually get the AI to do a parody of your mother's voice. They will actually
God.
get to imitate, like you won't even
That's
know you're
horrible.
talking to AI. You don't even know that you're not
Like
talking to a
walking,
person.
अच्छा,
And
it's
you get
actually I've seen आप अपनी 3 second की voice clip कहीं भी upload करें वो आपकी पूरी voice generate कर सकते हैं लेकिन
Yeah.
like you say anything. It's so scary.
And it's
I've
so
like
scary
tried it
because-
out for myself. Like पता नहीं I was like curious कि भाई हो सकता है कुछ भी हो सकता है. So messed up world man. Okay, next on to a less actually more depressing topic. हम philosophy
Yeah.
करने जा रहे हैं. CH
Please,
major.
philosophy geeks, don't judge us.
Yeah, but she is like a very good CH kid. I'm endorsing her.
Oh my god, that's
I'm
not
pretty-
pressure at all. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, pressure
Okay,
is-
though, let's start.
No, it's like 100% pressure.
I'll kill you on camera.
Psych. Okay. So, acha, I will explain the thought behind this subsection. So, a couple years back, COVID का era हो सकता है उससे पहले हो सकता है. So I was watching, doom scrolling चल रही थी and I saw a sad edit of Interstellar. That one scene where Cooper is crying over realizing कि Murphy बड़ी हो गई है. तो he realized कि man, it's like जिंदगी like time, he literally lost time and उसके ऊपर like लिखा था हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं कोई काम करने में,
Yeah, I
किसी का
actually saw
वादा
that
निभाने
too.
में.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sad से उन्होंने edit बनाई हुई थी for the poem, actually poem, but पीछे Interstellar का scene
So, a little bit of context. So, like, if anyone's not aware, so the poem हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं, it's by मुनीर न्याजी, and it basically ये बताता है कि someone who has, due to his own personal failure, procrastination, whatever, he has failed to make connections, make memories. जो उसने काम करना था,
he has failed to accomplish or do what he wants due to delaying it, to whatever reason.
due to like the most betray, like दोनों pieces of media में, art, media, whatever, it's shown कि time is a betrayer, whether it's by your own personal failure or literally by the laws of physics. Time relativity का उसमें बहुत दिखाया गया था, and time dilation and stuff, and I think it's very interesting to explore the concept क्योंकि वी ऑल फील लाइक हम लोग इस चीज में देर कर देते हैं, या फिर some things pass by too quickly and stuff. And I feel like this poem is like sort of on a micro scale, where like Interstellar takes it to a whole universal scale actually, like
Yeah, and
honestly.
maybe they're not exactly, क्या आप कह रहे हैं कि uncanny resemblance है.
Yeah, it's like
They're not the same. They're not very similar,
Yeah.
but we'll be making the connections because that's what this show is.
Yeah, that's what this show is, to make like uncanny से मजे के connections. अच्छा, also in Interstellar, at the end, so it's like sort of really sad because Cooper is trying to save the world, but like this world actually saves itself without him, and like
Yeah.
he's just left there. But his love for his daughter actually allows him to send a message. लेकिन जो हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ poem, आप उसका देखें, the first opening line is not a question or a demand or anything.
It's like an acceptance.
it's like a very sad acceptance of
self awareness.
statement
Yes,
है
मैं
बस कि
हमेशा
हाँ.
कर देता हूँ.
और
So,
even
that's it.
yeah, और ये जो क्रिस्टोफर नोलन की मूवीज के एंड में there's an aspect of hope at least that love कुछ कर सकता है, लेकिन इन हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ. It's like just morbid acceptance, like
Yeah,
hope ही
it's
नहीं है.
just, maybe he's regretting, but he is not saying that अगली बार ये नहीं होगा या अगली बार वो देर नहीं करेगा.
बल्कि गलती
हाँ.
बल्कि रिग्रेट ही तो इसी बात है, क्योंकि वो यही
हाँ.
करेगा, मतलब टाइम गुजर गया,
Like
लेकिन
it's beyond his,
Yeah.
it's not bound in his control.
so like that was I feel like it was really interesting. I hope that made sense थोड़ा बहुत.
अच्छा, and in Interstellar, थोड़ी सी philosophical अगर point of view दें, the time is spatial. Because I actually kind of read it and thought of made notes mentally and
Yeah.
वैसे भी
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
time is spatial in a way because it can be entered if you're talking about Interstellar. If you're talking about, if you keep in mind the physics वगैरह, observed, perhaps even touched, but let's not go too far. लेकिन yet it can never be changed.
That's really interesting.
Cooper
क्योंकि
exists inside time. मतलब if you're thinking
टाइम आपको अकेला छोड़ देगा, आप टाइम को नहीं छोड़ सकते.
हाँ, kind of.
हाँ.
If you're like to bring
there's this actually late last night quote एक था where both in
Yeah.
where we relate both of these, and like the element of regret, right? So basically regret here is like a gravitational force, क्योंकि it actually weighs down the soul and it bends our perception of the past. Because just as black hole, gargantua, it bends light. I feel like that's so hauntingly beautiful. I don't know if that Christopher, the director thought कि इस movie को इतने serious philosophical aspect में लिया जाएगा, लेकिन we took it that way.
I think Nolan knows what he's doing because अगर आप उसकी हर movie देखें, if you're looking at Inception,
Prestige.
Interstellar, yeah, all of
हर
those,
चीज़.
Oppenheimer even, nobody just saw it as a normal bomb के बारे में बता रहे हैं.
Yeah,
It
it was
was
like-
every movie has
That's
something to
why
ponder
like
over.
he's so good. Plus like I feel like personally my Interstellar is like my favorite movie of all time. So also due to Hans Zimmer, like
Yeah, oh my god, I'm so glad you mentioned.
yeah,
Yeah,
the
I love
Hans Zimmer
Hans Zimmer.
symphony,
Yeah.
it's healing my soul, man.
Divine,
Beautiful,
मतलब
beautiful.
जो melody आप सुन रहे होते हैं उसकी. And also, अच्छा, I talk के Interstellar में time spatial. This is a very philosophical standpoint.
No,
like,
go
actually,
ahead,
but
go
this may
ahead.
not be truly accurate because this is again how we are interpreting it.
Yeah.
And every human has a right to understand.
Girl, कोई नहीं, go
Yeah,
ahead,
exactly.
go ahead.
So, Interstellar में I said that time is spatial because Kubrick has no control over it,
Yeah.
But हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं इस थोड़ा सा opposite.
Oh. Huh.
Because time is not external, but you're kind of talking about मतलब उसका subjective
maybe time is
weight.
contained within you in a way. क्योंकि like
Yeah, like subjective weight because हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं, you have full control.
and yet
Because
like you're
Interstellar
not.
में I don't Interstellar
Ah.
में there was not
क्योंकि
this element of control over
क्योंकि
what's
like
happening.
so many factors, like
Yeah.
legit like the laws of physics. Time was like
Yeah.
spaceship का मसला ये हो गया. Cooper was not control in control.
Yeah,
लेकिन in like the poem,
Yeah.
the author is completely in control, and that's why the element of regret is so strong.
Yeah, exactly.
आप वो चीज रिग्रेट नहीं कर सकते जो आपने ना की हो, आप दूसरे पे ब्लेम करते हैं, लेकिन जो आपने खुद किया हो, जो आपने खुद ना किया हो, बेटर phrasing,
Yeah.
that's what you regret. So I hope like this sort of segment makes sense. We also, हम लोगों ने पहले डिस्कस किया था how dictators actually love weird personal branding.
Yeah,
क्यों?
I feel like
एक सेकंड, डिक्टेटर बनता क्यों है? क्यों? क्या 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 चलता है?
यार पावर चाहिए होती है.
पावर? सिर्फ पावर?
गॉड कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है.
लेकिन देखें,
कुछ कोई होता है अच्छा, सम पीपल फॉर एग्जांपल हिटलर, इफ यू से
हिटलर
he started off as कि यार क्या हो रहा है जर्मनी में, I want to make this country better, but obviously things took a very dark twisted turn, we know it, but some people they're just like, let me tell you about Turkmenistan. Maybe you've heard about it, but Turkmenistan में so it's a dictatorship, like सारी कैटेगरीज के जो आपकी जो चेकलिस्ट होती है डिक्टेटरशिप की, चेक्स दैट आउट. So Turkmenistan में this guy who's a dictator, I don't know his name, like I know his name.
You know what? Let me search it up. I'm sorry.
Yeah, search it up. So एक डायनास्टिक डिक्टेटरशिप है, मतलब कि उसके अब्बा भी डिक्टेटर थे, उसके अब्बा के अब्बा भी डिक्टेटर थे. So
Very
it's like
British family.
So he made a rotating gold statue of himself.
Oh.
And he made sure that it will always face the sun, matlab no matter what, because he is above everything, in his words, in his perception, and the way the public sees him, he's above everything. And he invested like 12 million into that, or also
While his people are probably starving.
yeah, no idea about that, because the world never knows what goes on in Turkmenistan. There's such a high
Okay, I like
level of
found out
surveillance.
I found
Tell
out
me the
the name. Sardar Gurbanguly. Okay, I'm butchering the pronunciation. Bardi Mohammadiou.
Oh my god, that's a
Born 22 September
actually
1981.
he also calls himself Turkmenbashi,
Acha.
and which means father of all Turks.
Very interesting. Very interesting. But जो मेरी थोड़ा सा when I thought about कि why do they love weird personal branding, it's because उनको mythical होना होता है. People they're not simply craving power, they're craving a mythical divine godlike aspect of it, and that's why हम लोग इनके portrayal में देख लें. For example Mussolini, फेमस डिक्टेटर, हर किसी ने सुना होगा. आप अगर देखें ना, इंसर्ट फोटो हेयर, उसके सारे फोटोज में ही इज एक्चुअली इस तरह करके खड़ा हुआ होगा, ऐसे ऊपर करके, वेरी माचो मैन पोज, एंड लाइक ही इज नेवर लुकिंग डाउनवर्ड्स, ही इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग,
का वो, हाँ,
या ही इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग ना ऊपर, एज अ साइन दैट ही नेवर इज वीक. अनदर थिंग, किम जोंग उन का बाप, there is this almost जैसे बुक ऑफ जेनेसिस में होता है कि एडम एंड ईव एंड दिस दैट वेरी मिथिकल सी चीज है, उसका भी ओरिजिन ऑफ किम जोंग इल, बल्कि जेनेसिस ऑफ किम जोंग इल, it was said that he like was born under a double rainbow. So okay,
so he's like the chosen one.
and he is the chosen one, and it's like very interesting. Also Hitler is obviously
Yeah.
very, हम लोग आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे यार ये लड़कियां चुप नहीं करती हिटलर के बारे में, लेकिन हम करेंगे.
बंदा इतना इंटरेस्टिंग,
बंदा इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है. So last time I said that his mustache was aesthetically pleasing, which I take back.
he also ruined the mustache, like उस time पे these mustaches
Charlie
was
Chaplin.
ruined. Yeah, he
Charlie
ruined it
Chaplin.
for everyone. Now
He
nobody
actually-
can keep that mustache.
Girl, he actually took inspiration from Charlie Chaplin. Iconic बनना था उसे. Charlie Chaplin was around the same time period.
Yeah,
तो अच्छा, in the portrayal in the paintings, not the paintings that he made, but the paintings of him by the Nazi party were actually taken inspiration from Catholic iconography. So basically
Yeah.
उसको भी ना वैसे बड़ा religious और religious aspect आ जाता है. It's really interesting. और क्या dictators की बात है, dictators को ना
what was about to say, हाँ, you're also talking about ये जो dictators की weird personal branding है ना, you talked about कि वो अपने आप को किस तरह हर किसी से ऊपर रखते हैं, like they're above everyone and portray themselves in a way. But what about their weird bizarre things that they do? For example, what I was talking about the Turkmenistan guy.
सही.
उसका ये भी that he renamed the calendar and the days of the week and the month after him and his mother.
Didn't North Korea sort of did the same, like they have a different calendar?
Yeah,
Like they don't.
something like
Oh.
that.
Oh.
So that's what happened. And जब COVID-19 आया था, recap to like 2020s,
Yeah. अभी
this ruler or the person leading Turkmenistan, he actually said कि COVID-19 उसने वो उस word का use ban कर दिया था अपनी country में.
अच्छा.
कि he was like कि COVID-19 does not exist. Coronavirus does not exist. It is not there. He banned the use of the word. He बहुत high surveillance country. I watched some videos of tourists who go there and they're like baffled कि oh my god ऐसी जगह कैसे है in this day and age. How
Exactly.
So he banned the use of the word, but at the same time he said कि wear masks because there's a dust issue going on and practice social.
Acha, one
So-
thing that's extremely interesting. And
Yeah, the countries
like,
you should look into it. You all should look into it.
yeah, I'm like raising my eyes at this, eyebrows at this. Like also dictators, they love to be in sort of scandals. Like हमें
Yeah.
Hitler की बहुत quirky बातें पता. Like he was a vegan. He loved animals. He like
I didn't know that he was a vegan.
he was a vegan and he was very against animal abuse. पता है?
Damn.
And he also took am I allowed to say this? Drugs before he went on speeches. तभी उसकी speeches like इतनी energetic थी. He was high on there. हम लेकिन it's also interesting कि dictators जब ये ऐसी इनकी छोटी मोटी scandalous tidbits आ जाती, the public is more interested in them. Rather than like the horrific things that they've done. Like Putin का meme बना हुआ है, like I don't know if you've seen this. I'm very chronically online, but like Putin का एक song भी बना था Putin.
Yeah, oh my god, I saw. That is so brain rot core. I've been like sending it on to all my friends and they've been sending it to me.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, and like the wide Putin walking meme, like वो बस चल रहा होता है like people we forget like he's just not me. Donald Trump के साथ भी यही है. Donald Trump like a funny orange man, ha China वो बस he like
People
stops
are
funny.
like, yeah, exactly.
People forget how often he is. Like he is so awful
No,
and
people
dangerous.
are doing parodies and like mimicking Donald Trump to make funny content. And
Yeah,
they're
तो
like,
फिर यही ना तो
कमाल
this humanizes dictators, which is sort of really dangerous. Okay, next हमारा last topic.
about history's overreaction.
Oh, wait, history. Yeah,
So
exactly.
this is so imagine the most non-serious things you can, but these people in history, they started a war over it. They
Okay,
claimed
yeah.
but even if they did not start a war, they did not
They
get the
tweaked
concept
out.
that it's
I'm
not that
sorry.
deep. Yeah.
Let me explain it in brain rot terms. They tweaked out. They crashed
Yeah.
out. Like imagine like मैं Fizra से पूछ रही हूँ, Fizra, can I take a look at your phone? And Fizra starts like beating the hell out of me.
Yeah,
Basically,
so that's what.
That's please don't beat me. I'm scared. Yeah. So first off, we'll be talking about the emu war. The emu is a bird, guys.
Yeah, it's a bird.
Which like sort of looks like a kiwi. Kiwi is also a bird plus peacock. So yeah,
and you mentioned dodo.
dodo, the dodo
Yeah.
bird as well. Yeah.
So it's like it looks harmless. It is harmless. It is a flightless bird. But imagine someone declaring a war over it because
And guess who it is? Australians, right?
Australian farmers turned soldiers basically. इतना ज़्यादा उनको मस्त
Farmers
हो गया था.
turned soldiers.
Basically they were farmers but some of them also served in the military, so they were like, it was a mix.
तो हर तरह की patriotism.
क्योंकि
आ
उस
गई
टाइम
उनके
पे
अंदर।
you had people who were like,
और फिर उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि किससे लड़े and they were like, let's fight birds. Because
हाँ,
there's
you know, no villain, let's create one.
Yeah.
So what they did was कि so the emus actually, you know, उन्हें लगा कि all you can eat buffet है, wheat crops और जो भी था, they just started, you know, they're harmless, they're part of the food chain, they're just having their food. And instead of thinking कि इसको किसी logistical agricultural solution से हल करना चाहिए, they brought machine guns, they brought artillery to you know, to
A very American way to deal with things.
yeah,
A very white man
white man.
way to deal with
Even though
things.
it was like
And guess who won, guys? एक second, we'll wait on it. आप लोग guess करें.
drum roll.
The
The emus, the birds.
emos won. Emos
Because
won.
even
Emus.
reminds me of My Chemical Romance.
हाँ, My Chemical Romance. Yeah, like imagine if like they have this like side part and they're like, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, so the emus won and they cannot even fly. But they were just so
That's, like,
fast
so
and just so
embarrassing,
smart that
yeah.
eventually उनके पास artillery खत्म हो गई and they ran out of bullets and they were like, The emus won. And we also have the pig war.
Yeah, but can we actually talk about how embarrassing the emo war defeat is? Like, Allah khair.
Like, you brought machine guns and you were still, you know, humiliated.
Yeah, like skill issue, dude. Like,
Skill issue.
Honestly, like, bruh.
And what kind of solution is that, bringing machine guns to fight off emus?
अजीब. अच्छा, उसके बाद before the peg wars लोगों को लगेगा we are just discussing wars, लेकिन मजे की बात, you know, जब when हाँ coffee
thing.
तो when coffee was actually, you know, it came into
It
Europe,
emerged.
emerged
नई
into
आई
Europe,
थी.
तो फिर ठीक है, you know, Catholic Church का हर बात पे क्या रिएक्शन होता है? They're like, yeah, it's
Satanic. Devil's drink.
so they banned it.
Yeah, they banned it. They were
But-
like, this is the devil's
Yeah,
drink, this mysterious
like
black
the Catholic Church was like, yeah, we do not endorse that. But like the people were like, yeah, this is so good. You know,
Yeah.
caffeine worked, so cocaine could run. Hear me out.
But
Yeah.
now caffeine is like the most used drug.
Consume.
Yeah,
Drug.
exactly.
आप पीती हैं कॉफी?
Yeah, I'm an addict.
आप
I'm
अस्सलाम
an
वालेकुम, आप कॉफी पीती हैं?
Yeah, वालेकुम अस्सलाम, मैं कॉफी पीती हूँ बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा.
आप कितनी कॉफी पीती हैं?
अब तो कम हो गई है रमजान. but
रमजान
एक
मुबारक
महीने
guys.
ऊपर.
रमजान मुबारक बुकीज.
Yeah.
Way of tangent, लेकिन चले.
Yeah, so let's talk about the coffee thing.
Yeah, let's talk
When it
about it.
came, अच्छा ये बात कि हर जो भी नई चीज आ रही है, if it's like, you know,
Women
अगर-
can read all of a sudden. The Catholic
Burn.
Church was like, yeah, oh yeah, satanic, burn them.
burn them.
Burn them at the
witches.
stake,
Yeah,
like-
burn the witches. और कॉफी वाली चीज में ये भी हुआ था कि that, you know, there was this Ottoman sultan.
Say.
I think it was Sultan Murad. I don't know which one it was because they have so many of them with the same names. But he banned coffee. But ये था कि if you're found drinking coffee, death penalty.
Oh my god.
So yeah, that's one of the extreme
Yeah,
things.
that's
I mean,
guys, I did not know that.
I
That's
mean-
insane.
forgive me if coffee, you know, wakes me up. But like what? And even King Charles like banned coffee houses के, you know,
Yeah.
इससे लोग rebellious हो रहे हैं. So that's
Okay, let's. You know,
and hey, wait, one more thing.
हाँ, हाँ,
Coffee
go ahead.
became, you know, when coffee normalized कैसे हुई? The Pope tasted coffee and he was like, this is divine, this is amazing, and he was like, oh my god, this slaps, and he blessed it, and now everyone loves coffee.
Yeah, Pope approved, bhai. You know,
Yeah.
dogs are allowed to go to heaven. The Pope Francis ने कहा था. So dogs are endorsed by the Pope. Just so you know. Fun fact. अच्छा, next up, pig war.
Pig war. So it was, as the name states, war over a pig. So what happened was, I think it was between America and Britain. San Juan Islands. I don't know if I'm correcting correctly. लेकिन modern day आप समझ लें Washington और Canada. ठीक है, उस वक्त Canada.
Yeah.
You don't have that. You have America and Britain, the two
Yeah.
powers. And what happened was कि उनका territorial dispute चल रहा था, and I guess an American guy, I guess, shot a pig. उस पे जंग शुरू हो गई. They were like, how dare you do
How
that?
dare you?
And they declared a war over it.
हर बात पे एक तो ह्यूमंस का ये रिएक्शन क्यों होता है? Let's go to war.
Yeah, and I think in the past it's more prominent because they're like, how dare you, you know, falter with our power.
Oh.
So
Interesting.
and अच्छा emus के साथ ये होता था, the emus won, but in this case the war didn't actually happen क्योंकि they were, you know, they were
The
ready
whole
with their
premise is
weapons
so
and all.
ridiculous,
Yeah,
I'm
they were
sorry.
like ready and militarized and all, and in the end they were like कि यार, you know, it's not that deep. So
उनको पहले realize करना
Yeah.
चाहिए था. You know, sometimes I feel like maybe we should realize that it's not that deep.
yes,
no, but it
yes.
is that deep, guys.
Yeah.
This episode is very deep. We legit went into the tahin, the layers. अगली दफा maybe we'll go into the Mariana Trench.
yeah.
Or maybe not. We can, वैसे. Okay, guys. Was that everything?
Yeah, I think so. Just to give a quick recap, I think we did everything
That we were supposed to do on
Yeah,
time?
with
Hello?
Yeah.
I'm proud of us.
Same.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you made it to the end.
Yeah, I hope you did.
एंड में फिर से हमारे लिए गाना गाएंगी.
I'm just numb. Oh my god, sorry, I'm not going to sing Linkin Park right now because it makes me sad.
You know, guys, मैं आपके लिए can I sing तुझे देखा तो ये जाना
Oh
सनम.
my god, let's sing together.
Okay, ठीक है,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए. Oh my god. Oh my
Guys,
god.
we're actually crying behind
Oh my
us.
god, guys,
आपको पता नहीं है.
I'm crying with cringe actually because
I'm
I don't listen to Bollywood. I'm a metalhead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys, and peace out.
Tune in for the next
Yeah,
episode.
please.
Thank you so much.